Hey friends, Billy from LM Cases here, and today we are going to look at two very cool athletic trainers workstations that we just finished up for the Florida Panthers. So these two cases are designed to be a matched set. Each one is exactly the same in the exterior dimensions, and they also have the same lid configuration. The only thing that is different for them are the drawer configs. So for those of you who know, and for those of you who don't know hockey, they do a lot of games per year, and they fly. So these workboxes are very, very small, and to show you how small they are, me at a whopping 5'5", 5'4"-ish, the workstation comes up to about my mid-thigh. So I'm not sure if the scale of these is really being shown on camera, but they are quite small. And because they need to fly, they are made out of our composite material. And that's something that we've had made for us for quite some time, since the mid-90s. We work with a dedicated composites manufacturer that makes a board to our specification that is designed for flight cases that we came up with. It is not available unless you, I guess, find that mysterious composite manufacturer and figure out what we're up to. But everything on this case that can be made out of composite is made out of composite. And just to show you what a cross-section or what this material looks like, the drawer face is actually made out of half-inch composite. We are using that to keep the weight down. So if you notice, this is actually a half-inch case. This is quite thick. So going back to the drawers here, the interior is made out of plywood, and the drawer face is actually made out of the composite material. So there are certain things the composite does well. If it's in an extrusion like this, it works pretty well, but it doesn't work so well if you need to make a butt joint, which is why we are using wood in that particular application. So looking at the lids, these have tilt lock bins in them, or I guess these aren't tilt lock bins, they're just tilting bins. Sorry, slip of the tongue there. And this has a clear Lexan, 3/8" Lexan with low profile latches to keep them all closed. So if we go to this one, this has the Lexan removed. You can see how the tilt bins work. Each lid also has a storage container for latex gloves. So looking at the first trunk here, this has cubbies in it, and it has a removable, via Southco slam latches, a removable clear work surface or protective covering on it, so when the case gets tipped, the contents of those bins don't come out. The lid on both trunks are supported by gas springs. This is to aid in not only opening and closing the lid, it also keeps it open. So if you're working on this, and someone walks behind you and bumps a lid, it's not going to come closed. So at the top of each of these is a handle, so you can pull it closed. And then on the top here, it does have marine-grade plastic runners. So those marine-grade plastic runners are on all sides of these cases. And what those do is it aids in loading these on conveyor belts. So if you're loading it onto a conveyor to move up into a plane, the hardware has a tendency to catch on it. And these are just a replaceable rub surface on it so that the hardware won't get caught. So the other thing that you may be noticing, especially if you are a fan of LM videos, is we have a plethora of 4-hole straps here. So what I mentioned in the beginning of this video is composite works quite well when it's in an extrusion. And just to double up on the strength aspect of things, we do have a gratuitous amount of 4-hole clamps on there. Because again, if you're loading this case onto an airplane and it's going onto a conveyor and it's being drug across different surfaces, and that the tendency for something to get lodged under that extrusion and to try to pull it up and off is certainly there. So this not only adds a level of protection, it also adds it makes sure that the panel is enclosed into the extrusion well. Our extrusion, or what we call our corner stock here that we use, this is another thing that's a proprietary LM part. We own the dies for this, and it's what's called a double L. So whereas a lot of companies will take the plywood panels and make a butt joint and maybe brad nail them together and then put this aluminum on, our panels are actually slid into a channel in this aluminum and stapled from the inside. So in a plywood case, it doesn't really matter so much to have this strap right here. This is a grooved channel, so once you drive a staple into the side of this, it drives the grooves into the panel, and it makes it a lot more difficult to pull it apart. And the other thing, I don't know if you can see this on camera, this is actually an angled piece right here. So if something's sliding across it, it doesn't want to catch in there. It'll go over top, so that is a design feature on purpose. But again, these cases will live a really hard life. To put it all into perspective, ATA spec is generally 100 round trip, so it's going to go on a plane 200 times. Hockey, I believe they have 200 to 300 games per year. So, you know, if we were following the ATA spec, they would have to buy new cases every single year or so. In the hockey industry, we do try to overbuild as much as we can because they're about the hardest on cases that we've experienced and our now 40 years of building road cases. The hockey guys are pretty brutal on all this stuff. So again, we talked about the cubbies going back full circle. Let's take a look at these drawers down here. This drawer is for tape. The drawer face, as I mentioned previously, is made out of 1/2-inch composite. The drawer itself is made out of 1/2-inch Baltic birch. These are heavy-duty Accuride glides. Each one of them has a little 3/8-inch Lexan cover on the top of this here just to keep everything in place when the case is flipped. Most people's work boxes don't get flipped. These can get flipped in any way, shape, or form to make it fit on a plane. So this is a removable tape caddy. If you want to take this out, you can. It is made from 1/2-inch black marine grade plastic, and it just slides back into the drawer. So it doesn't, if you notice, it doesn't fit exactly into the drawer. There's a little bit of space behind it just for some other peripheral storage. The bottom drawer is exactly the same. Once you've seen that one, once you've seen the top one, you've seen the bottom one. So the other workstation here, again, the same lid configuration. The top is made from white marine grade plastic, which is actually, this is a 1/2-inch panel here. So the top is 1/4 inch, and there is a piece of 1/4 inch Baltic underneath it that gives you actually a 3/4 inch, excuse me, it is a 1/2-inch piece of Baltic underneath it and a 1/4 inch piece of marine grade plastic on top of it to give you a 3/8 or a 3/4 inch panel. And this, I do like to spec white in these kinds of things. This essentially does give you a very good high contrast surface. So in the audiovisual industry, if you are working on a black microphone and a black cable with black screws and black tools, that can get lost in a low light environment. So we do like to make things white so that you can see them. This particular case is just open storage drawers. So this is a thin drawer, again with the Lexan protector on top. The second one down is exactly the same. And the third one down is exactly the same, just a little bit deeper. Again, it follows the same build procedure as the other one, 1/2-inch Baltic birch on the drawer, composite on the drawer face, heavy-duty Accuride glides. So these are the lids. So even though the case exteriors are the same, the lids have the same exterior dimensions, but they're different just a little bit. So one lid has individual foam cutouts for latex glove containers. That's what these are for. And the secondary lid has table legs. So those of you who know and those of you who may not know, LM gets custom table legs built for us. And these are not them. These are actually adjustable table legs. Our normal size table legs will not fit in these. So these are actually an adjustable table leg here that has set screws on the side, or little thumb screws on the side there, so that you can just collapse the lid or the legs and make it fit. So this is the set of cases for the Florida Panthers. If you have any questions about these cases, you can send me an email, billy@lmcases.com. You can also check the links in the descriptions if you'd like to see these on our website, if you want to read just copy that isn't rattled off by a rambling madman at 8 o'clock at night on a Monday. And if you'd like to see the daily goings-on of LM, check us out on Instagram. We are LM_cases. Thanks so much for stopping by. Catch you guys on the next one. Bye.